In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent, we are going to perform metal activity. This activity will demonstrate the properties of metals, properties like malleable, ductile, shiny surface, and the strength of the metals.
Yes, sir.
In step 1, we will gather the materials. In step 1, we will gather the materials like this is aluminium, this is steel, a rough surface. This steel has rough surface, and this is the iron pipe, and this is also steel glass. Now in step 2, we will rub the surface of metals by this sandpaper and will observe the changes. Like if we will rub this surface, look this surface right, and we are going to rub this surface. Come close to it, Ahmad. Is there any difference between this area and this area? What you have observed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, it's shiny. So we have observed that metals have shiny surface when rubbed by sandpaper. In step 3, we will check its malleability. We will hit this aluminium sheet with hammer like this. Look, this is the surface, and now it's stretched.
Yes, sir.
What does it call?
Ductile.
Ductile or malleable?
Ductile or malleable?
Which is correct? Ductile or malleable? Which one is correct? Malleable. This is malleable. Stretching the surface is called malleable. In 4th step, we will check is it ductile. We will bend this. Its bending properties of metal is called ductile. Bending properties of metal is called ductile. In 5th and last step, we will gather all these information and will synchronize it to the properties of the metals to understand the properties of metals, so we can understand this thorough and clearly.
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Have you understand what is ductile, malleable, strength of the metal? Metals have strength. Look, this is hard and strong.
Yes, sir.
Metals are hard and strong and can be bent. Non-metal, if we bend it, it can break.
Yes, sir.
But metals have strength, bending strength. It's still not broken. That is called ductile. And malleable. Stretching of surface is called malleable. And rubbing it with sandpaper, shiny. We can perform it here. Look at this. This is rusting, very rough surface. If we will rub it from this, look, there is a difference.
Yes.
When I will continue rubbing, it will shine or start glowing. We will try it here. This is steel. This has rough surface. We will try to shine it. Look at this area.
Yes,
Is it shiny
Yes, sir.
as compared to this area?
Yes, sir.
So metals have shining properties.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Clapping for yourself.